If you look at this question, it's told in the problem that the perpendicular bisector is dividing the points PQ in the ratio 1:1, midpoint it is. The perpendicular bisector, so this is the perpendicular bisector, alright. Now the perpendicular bisector has a y-intercept of -4 is told in the problem. Y-intercept is equal to -4 means definitely the point on the line will be x1 comma y1 will be equal to 0 comma -4, right or not? Will be x comma y, I'll say x comma y will be equal to what is it? 0 comma -4. Yes, because when I consider the y-intercept of the line, it's the distance from the origin at which the line cuts the y-axis, right? Explained in the theory. So what is this? 0 comma -4 should be the case. Now you see here, R is the midpoint of PQ. R is the midpoint of PQ. R is the midpoint of PQ. So can you tell me, R x3 comma y3, if I take the coordinate now, this will be equal to x1. This I'll take x1, y1. This I'll take x2 comma y2. Let me take this point as R x3 comma y3. So you see here, R x3 comma y3 can be written as k plus 1 divided by 2 comma what is it? 4 plus 3 divided by 2, midpoint division formula, correct? Therefore R x3 comma y3. Now you calculate what is the slope of PQ. What is the slope of PQ? If I call that slope of PQ is m1, that is nothing but y2 minus y1 divided by what is it? x2 minus x1, which is nothing but 3 minus 4 divided by k minus 1, minus 1 divided by k minus 1. So what is the slope of perpendicular bisector then? Slope of perpendicular bisector. How do you calculate? Let me say that the perpendicular bisector slope is m. Let me say that the slope of the line PQ is m1. I can say m, that is equal to minus 1 divided by m1, because they are mutually perpendicular. m1 into m should be equal to minus 1. So I can say m should be equal to negative reciprocal, right? Negative reciprocal will be equal to k minus 1, right? Negative reciprocal will be equal to k minus 1. So therefore the equation of perpendicular bisector. How do you calculate the equation of the perpendicular bisector now? y minus y3, that is equal to m into x minus x3. So I may say y minus y3. What is y3? y3 is nothing but 7 divided by 2, that is equal to m. m is k minus 1 into x minus x3. x3 is nothing but k plus 1 divided by 2. K plus 1 divided by 2. So put x comma y, that is equal to 0 comma minus 4. So what is the answer that we get? To minus 4 minus 7 divided by 2, that is equal to k minus 1 times minus k plus 1 divided by 2, minus k plus 1 divided by 2. So what is the answer that we get? To 15 divided by 2, that is equal to k square minus 1 divided by 2. Minus and minus will become plus here, right? 2 cancels. So k is equal to, what's the answer that we get? Plus or minus 4. Any one option what is seen will be the answer to the question.